I'm not really happy with that. Look at that. Alright folks, this is the package which I have just got from Amazon. These are the shoes and I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you guys how does it look. So, and first of all, first impressions that I'm not really happy about the packaging of Amazon. I'm not really happy with that. Look at that. This is the actual package. It was the first condition which I saw when I received the package. It was like this only. The box is all torn up from here and there. See, here, nothing is intact, frankly speaking. Here also it's torn, and from each side you can see there is some destruction into the package. Here also. Okay, the review is the package. As far as the packaging is concerned, the packaging is not good from Amazon, but I was getting a good deal, so I just ordered it. And I'm going to show you what's inside and how does it feels to open a Vans box. Look at that. Just an ordinary plastic, all branded with Vans. You can see the Vans printed everywhere in the plastic. These are just shoes. We'll get into that later, but I'm just going to show you the box right now. I have laced the shoes already. It's very short and simple. And here I got an invoice, and there's the tag which is attached to the shoes, and you can use this as a sticker. You can fix it anywhere. Kinda looks cool. So here's the box, the simple basic box that you can get with the Vans. All the details are written in here. The official price, which is $3,499. And I ordered the size UK 11. This is my size. And okay. So these are the shoes, and pretty basic shoe. Vans Authentics. Shoes are nice, and you do get the waffle sole, which is signature of Vans. These are the very beautiful, robust shoes, and yeah, this is the pair. Here you get the branding everywhere. Under the lip you get the info about the size. Yeah, the details about the size is given in here, and the Vans branding in the sole, inner sole. The canvas material is good, I must say. Yeah, the branding is here. Here's the branding, and the shoe is pretty much of good quality. The product they have used, the canvas material is also good. Here in the heel side, the canvas is strong, and all the way from front to end, the canvas is quite comfortable to wear. This was the review of Vans shoes. Guys, let me know if you like this video.